In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check the spelling within Google Slides. Okay, so I'm just going to click here to add a title, and I'll type test title and purposely spell it wrong. Now, if you want to go ahead and check the spelling of these things, come to the top menu bar here, click on Tools. Then you can see the first one which says spelling. Then simply just click on spell check. And now you can see it says change test to test, and then you would click on either change or ignore, and you can add it to your dictionary. So I'll click on change, and now it says change that to title. Click on change, and let me try that again because it didn't change. Spelling, spell check, no spelling suggestions. Okay, so I'll just manually change that one, but it did give me the suggestion. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.